Campers, look what just arrived here. We have a super fresh arrival, fresh trade-in, guys. It's a 2019 Newmar Canyon Star. 3627 is the model number. Now, there's a lot of features on this, guys. On the outside, we have slide toppers on every single slide, 3 slides, nice large awning. We do have an entertainment center outside, so if you're outside at the campground, maybe you want to watch the playoffs, boom, right there. We do have pass-through storage through most of the compartments. There is a full paint package on this as well, guys. 360-degree cameras, and look at how clean those chrome rims are. Super, super awesome. Let's go inside and check out the inside. Come on in. Now we're inside the Newmar 3627 Canyon Star. Up here up front, we do have 2 capstan chairs. These will swivel. And I also want to note this up here, this is a drop-down bunk, so you can sleep anybody 250 pounds and less up there. Over here into the cockpit, sitting down. I don't have the keys on me at the moment, but there's 16,000 original miles on this puppy. That's super awesome. We got all of our auto level, we got our radio, and we have 360-degree cameras built right in here into the dash. Super awesome. Now, if you have a small dog, maybe you want to travel with some cats, I know my cats would be all over this dash, chilling, looking at the windshield while we're going down the road. Over here into the passenger side of things, there is a little table that will pull out. So, you know, if you're going down the road, you can sit here, maybe have lunch, I don't know, do a crossword, stuff like that. Super awesome. There also is a blind that comes down in the front, as well as both windows. And another neat feature I like is if you're going down the road at night, whoop, check that out. Over here, up above the stairs, of course, there's all your unit controls, slide out functions, and on here we have all the tank sensors, all that fun stuff. Now, coming back into the coach, huge TV. That is on a televator right over there. I'll show you that in a minute. Bose sound system, fireplace to keep you warm on those chilly nights, and all kinds of storage around that puppy. Of course, because you want storage around your entertainment area. Over here into the kitchen, again, more storage. Boom, up over top. Love the solid surface countertops. Love the edge on that as well. Super nice. All kinds of pull-out drawers here as well. Solid wood there. Beautiful. 3-burner cooktop. And if you don't want to look at that while you're going down the road, pull that. Boom. More counter space. Super awesome. Up over top. I couldn't figure out how to open that for a second. We got the convection microwave, so super awesome as well. Cook anything you want in that puppy. If you guys want to slide over this way, I'll show you. We got tons of storage. Great spot for a garbage can underneath the sink. That's where I'd put it. And then more drawers as well. Dual sinks. Stainless steel with the extra countertop pieces. Put those back in. And then this is a flip-up countertop extension. So super awesome if you have company or maybe you just want to cook a super awesome big meal. Over here, we have 2-person seating for the table. That will extend, though, because there's a split in the middle. That clock does come with the coach, just so you guys know. Tons of windows. Love the lighting. All your lights can be controlled in every different room. You have these nice little buttons, so we can shut off stuff and turn it back on as we want. Now up over top of the couch, more storage. Great spot for games. And this couch will pull out and make a bed. Pop those puppies down. Alright guys, now we push that button. Boom, check out our TV. She's going right down. Televator is super awesome, guys. And as well, up above you, if you look straight up, we got the vent in the kitchen that's great for cooking. And look at this. That actually kind of looks like something my Nana used to have in her house. Super awesome. Now, if that wasn't enough, guys, boom. Check out the refrigerator. That's bigger than the one I have in my house. You're storing all kinds of food in that. Super awesome for those long road trips. And you got the water filler. Like, come on. Over here, china cabinet. Check that out. For all your wine glasses and whatnot. I don't know if I'd leave them in there while you're driving, but, you know, you can figure that one out. Down below, all kinds more storage. Also be a great spot for, like, coffee pods, stuff like that. In here, we have, I'll get out your guys' way, the washer. Super awesome. I believe that's a combo machine too. Should have looked into that. Over here, check out the bathroom. Vanity on the outside, storage underneath, and then up over top, beautiful medicine cabinet. And a mirror to check yourself out in. Beautiful lighting all around. Laundry bin. and a spot you can probably store your towels. Now we're going to have to swap places here, guys. And we're going to slide right in here. So this bathroom, oh, hey. This bathroom's super awesome. Tons of space around the toilet. You even have another one of those super awesome lighting panels. Boom. Now we're in the dark. You do have the fantastic vent up top with extra toilet paper storage. Check that out. Over in here, beautiful shower that will raise lower. You also have the skylight, but I'm, 7 feet tall and I have no problems there, guys, so don't worry about that. All right, now we're back into the master bedroom. Lots of stuff going on here. We do have the queen size bed, some storage up over top, and I'm just going to take you guys for a minute because while you're laying in bed, this is a super awesome feature. You can shut off your lights while you're laying in bed. How sweet is that? Also, do note, Newmar does the accent lighting in the styles. I love it. It's one of my favorite features they do. Now over here, you have a TV ready to go, so you can lay in bed and watch some TV. Of course, pull out drawers. More storage space. And, boom, check that out. Full wardrobe. Awesome window at the back so you can wake up in the morning and see how crummy it is outside. And then we have under the bed storage, and there's your 2 extra chairs plus table leaves for your table. Ooh, let that down a little hard. Now guys, if you like this unit and you want to come check it out for yourselves, come on down to Pine Acre Stewiacke exit 11. Don't forget to keep an eye on our website for new and upcoming models at www.pineacresrv.com.